Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Corner by Kay. Today, I'd like to share a peaceful story about my summer vacation to a beautiful hill station. This story is told in simple A2 English, so you can relax, improve your listening, and enjoy the journey with me. Close your eyes if you like. Imagine every place I describe. I hope you will feel as if you are traveling with me. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, have you ever visited a place that you never wanted to leave? I'd love to hear your story. Now sit back, relax, listen, and enjoy. Last summer, my husband and I planned a 3-day vacation to a beautiful hill station with his brother's family. We were very happy because we had been looking forward to this trip for many weeks. Our trip was from Friday to Sunday. On Thursday night, we packed our luggage and reached the boarding point. After waiting for a few minutes, our bus finally arrived at exactly 10 o'clock at night. We happily got on the bus and found our seats. Before going to sleep, we spent a long time talking about our plans for the next 3 days. We also talked about the clothes we wanted to wear and the places we wanted to visit. Finally, we felt sleepy and closed our eyes. We reached the town at 5 o'clock in the morning. We were waiting for my husband's brother and his family, who were traveling from their hometown. About 30 minutes later, they arrived with their luggage. Their family included my husband's brother, his wife, and their 2 lovely daughters. Everyone looked happy and excited. Soon, our taxi arrived and our vacation officially began. It was early morning as we started our journey toward the hill station. The cool breeze touched my face, and the fresh air made me feel calm and relaxed. I looked out of the window and enjoyed the peaceful village scenery. Green fields, small houses, and quiet roads passed by one after another. Meanwhile, my 2 little nieces kept everyone smiling. They sang cheerful songs, danced happily, and filled the car with laughter. For about an hour, we enjoyed the beautiful villages on our way to the hills. Before we realized it, the road slowly began to climb higher and higher. As we drove up the mountain, we passed many hairpin bends. We could see green hills, wide valleys, farms, and beautiful waterfalls in the distance. The view became more beautiful with every turn, and we quietly enjoyed the journey. After we had completed most of the climb, we reached our first stop, a beautiful waterfall. The sound of the falling water was peaceful and refreshing. We spent a few minutes enjoying the view, took some photographs together, and bought warm woolen caps and scarves. About 10 minutes later, we finally reached the hill town. We checked into our hotel, freshened up, enjoyed a delicious breakfast, and got ready for sightseeing. Our first destination was a beautiful walking path high above sea level. The weather was cool and soft clouds floated around us. Sometimes the fog came so close that it felt as if we could almost touch it. We walked slowly, enjoyed the fresh air, and admired the beautiful views all around us. Later, we visited a famous cave surrounded by large rocks and tall trees. The place was quiet and mysterious. As we were about to leave, it suddenly started raining heavily. The rain made the whole place look even more magical. Because of the heavy rain, we decided to end our sightseeing for the day and return to our hotel. Our room was warm and cozy, which felt wonderful in the cool hill weather. After a long and happy day, we went to bed early and slept peacefully like babies. Our second day began with a trip to a beautiful hill village. On the way, we stopped at a viewpoint to enjoy the scenery. The view was breathtaking. The cool breeze, the green hills, and the fresh air made us feel peaceful. We took some family photographs and bought a few snacks and drinks from a nearby shop. Before we left, some local people gave us a friendly warning. They told us to be careful because monkeys often appeared without warning and tried to take food from visitors. Just a few moments later, a small monkey suddenly came near us and quickly grabbed my little niece's milkshake. She was surprised and started crying. We spent some time comforting her, and after a while, she smiled again. It became a funny memory that we still laugh about today. Sometimes even unexpected moments become our favorite memories. At that time, my little niece was upset, but today, whenever we talk about our trip, this is the first story everyone remembers. As we continued our journey, we saw beautiful steppe farms stretching across the hills. The green fields looked peaceful and beautiful. Finally, we arrived at a lovely lake surrounded by wide meadows. We also saw sheep and a small rabbit farm nearby. The whole place was quiet, fresh, and relaxing. We enjoyed a peaceful boat ride on the lake and later went for a horse ride. We spent almost the entire day there, enjoying the beautiful scenery and spending time together. None of us wanted to leave such a peaceful place. As I looked across the quiet lake, I realized how peaceful nature can be. There was no hurry, no noise, and nothing to worry about. It was one of those moments that I wanted to last forever. The third day of our vacation began with a visit to a children's park. There were many fun play areas for children. My two nieces were so busy playing that they were not interested in taking pictures with us. Later, we visited a beautiful lake surrounded by many small shops. We walked slowly through the market and looked at handmade chocolates, colorful handbags, sling bags, and many other local items. It was enjoyable to look around, even if we didn't buy everything we liked. After lunch, it was time to begin our journey back home. As our taxi slowly descended the hills, I bought some fresh carrots that had been harvested in the mountains. They looked so fresh that I couldn't resist buying them. After about 3 hours, we reached the boarding point. We waited patiently for our bus, and about 2 hours later, it finally arrived. Before getting on the bus, my husband and I waved goodbye to his brother's family. We thanked them for the wonderful trip and hoped we would travel together again someday. As the bus slowly left the hill town, I looked out of the window one last time. The mountains, the cool breeze, and the peaceful views slowly disappeared behind us. Although our vacation had come to an end, we returned home with happy hearts and beautiful memories that we will always treasure. Every vacation eventually comes to an end, but the memories we make stay with us for a lifetime. Whenever I think about this trip, I remember not only the beautiful places, but also the laughter we shared together. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed listening to my story and imagining each moment with me. If you enjoyed this listening practice, please leave a comment and tell me about your favorite vacation. I would love to read your stories. Thank you so much for listening. I'll be back soon with another relaxing English story. Until next time, take care, keep learning, and have a wonderful day. Bye.